So, with that, moving into Lumen Gentium talks a lot about like the Pope being the visible sign of unity in the church. Okay, and a lot of the references hammer on this point. Like the point of us having a Pope, the point of that office is to be the visible sign of unity. What makes Catholics Catholic? You, the lay person, are in unity with your priest, your parish priest, who is in union with your diocesan bishop, who is in union with the Pope. And that's how we all form the Catholic Church in unity together through this one head. For the example of SSPX, I wonder how much, I mean, you can always say like fundamentally there still is that unity, right? But like, do you think that unity is waning? Is there like too much discontent with the Pope or the popes for the past 20 years since Vatican II that would somehow like injure this sign of unity within the church to the rest of the secular world?
Would the behavior of the popes injure that unity, or our lack of piety towards the Pope injure it? If you can clarify that for me.
Yeah.
Because I
think it's ultimately our behavior towards him, because we are the ones we are the ones who are acting out against the directives and teachings of the Pope, acting within his office. So it would be our impetus.
Yeah, I agree. I think that in a lot of cases, we are reacting sometimes to misunderstandings of what a Pope may say. And we go a little bit too far in our criticisms to the extent that it does impact our unity with the chair of St. Peter. If you look at Bishop Gasser, I don't have it pulled up in front of me, but if you go to Bishop Gasser's relatio, his speech that he issued at the First Vatican Council, if you go to it and just maybe type in the section where it uses the keyword sea of pestilence, if you go to that section in that paragraph, he talks about the importance of the chair of St. Peter as a center of unity. One of the most important roles of the papacy is to be a center of unity for all of the different local churches spread throughout the world. And whenever we overly criticize the Pope, I think we begin to harm that unity. That being said, there is an extent that we can criticize the Holy Father. I just think that oftentimes we go way beyond the permitted extent. And we also probably misunderstand a great deal of what comes from the chair of St. Peter and are probably too quick to judge. But I definitely think that it is impacting unity in the church.